Unraveling the phrase, play along, a guide to understanding and using it in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve into the world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll be uncovering the meaning behind the phrase, play along. Whether you're an English language learner or simply looking to expand your idiomatic vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's get started and play along with our linguistic exploration. When we look at the phrase, play along, it's important to understand that it can have both a literal and a figurative meaning. Literally, it can refer to playing a musical instrument as part of a group. For example, she decided to play along with the band. However, more commonly, we use it in a figurative sense. To play along means to pretend to agree with someone or to cooperate with a situation, often for the sake of avoiding conflict or to achieve a specific goal. It's like being part of a social performance, where you're aware of the act. In everyday conversation, play along is often used when someone is part of a plan or goes along with a joke. If someone says, "Just play along while we surprise Sarah for her birthday," they mean you should act as if nothing is happening to keep the surprise. It's about collaboration and sometimes deception in a harmless context. Let's see how this phrase works in different contexts. In social situations, I knew they were planning a prank, but I decided to play along. In professional settings, the team wasn't sure about the new policy, but they played along until they could discuss their concerns with the manager. In storytelling, the characters in the spy movie play along with the villain's game to uncover his plan. Understanding the context is crucial because it influences how you interpret and use the phrase. When using play along, remember that it often involves subtlety and tact. It's not just about agreement but also about strategic participation. Here are some tips. Recognize the situation. Is someone asking for cooperation, or is it a playful scenario? Use it to show flexibility in your language. It can make your English sound more natural and nuanced. Practice with role plays. This can help you get comfortable with the phrase and its usage. And there you have it. We hope this video has shed some light on the versatile phrase, play along. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the art of communication. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll play along with us again as we explore more fascinating aspects of the English language. Happy learning!